Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you some MTN cheat that you can use to get a lot of data for yourself with just a small amount of money. Okay, before I go into that, I would like to beg you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. Like my videos, and I'll also share my videos with your friends because they might also need this. Okay, so I would like to show you some of those few things. You can see what is on my screen currently. Said you will be charged 200 naira for this purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan. This will cost you only 200 naira. Okay, it will cost you only 200 naira to get 1 gig plus 500 monthly plan. So to proceed, press 1. That is, you should select 1 to take you a one-off purchase. Okay, so I will also share with you another code that can give you 5,000 MB for just 500 naira. Okay, so this is very interesting, right? So all you just need to do is to stick with me from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, and I'm going to show you the complete process on how you can get even 10,000 gig for as low as 1,000 naira, and the duration is 1 month. Okay, so follow me in. Let's see what it is. I'll start sharing the code with you right away. Okay, so the first code is star 312 star 312 star 88 hash, right? The moment you just dial up this code, all you just need to do is to send it using your MTN SIM line. Okay, my MTN card is SIM 1, so I'll try with the SIM 1. Wow, you can see what it is now. It's showing what this is what I just showed you earlier on my screen. So you will be charged just 200 naira to purchase 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan, which is what 1,500 MB you'll be given to for just 200 naira. Okay, and this is one yeah, so you can just click on select one to take a one purchase off. Okay, you can do it right now. You can start it right now and start enjoying your megabyte. Okay, but you should know that also that this cheat might not work for everybody, but if it doesn't work for you, try migrate your SIM card to MTN Pulse so that you can enjoy more of this. Okay, so you can see this now. All you just need to do is to click on one and send. Okay, and this will be activated for you, but before you do that, make sure you have at least 200 naira as your balance. Okay, make sure you have at least 200 naira as your balance. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you the second code, which will be able to give you up to 5,000 plus MB. Okay, which is roughly 5 gig, up to 5,000 MB. Okay, so let's go to the second code. I hope you got this now. The second code is star 312 star 1 star 10 hash. Let's see if this one works. Click on send. Wow, wow, wow. So this is also working. You can choose one for 1.2 hourly bundle. You can choose two for 5 gig hourly bundle. You can choose three for 10 gig hourly bundle. You can see how this is. Okay, it is your choice here now to choose anyone that you want and work with it very good. Okay, so the one says 2 gig hourly bundle, the 2 says 5 gig hourly bundle, the 3 says 10 gig hourly bundle. Okay, but before you do this, make sure you have some money in your balance. Okay, which one am I going to choose now? Let me choose number 3 and see what it will show. Okay, connection invalid. So 3 is the 312 star 312 star 312 star 1 star 10 hash. Okay, you can see I just choose the number one. It will only going to charge me 200 naira. This is an hourly bundle. Okay, so imagine you have a lot to do in the internet. You want to upload your videos on your YouTube, or you want to upload your videos on your Facebook page, or you want to use your Instagram and the others. Okay, you can just take this offer and do your work within the hour majestically, and everything will be fine. Upload your videos, do a lot of things you need to do, make your research on the internet, and just 200 naira will be charged from your what? From your account. Okay, you can see how wonderful all this is. So all you just need to do, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, don't forget, turn on the notification bell, and do well to like my videos. Okay, and help your friends and your relatives by sharing this video to them, because they might need it as well. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this very amazing video. All you just need to do is to subscribe and start enjoying these amazing codes. Okay, if you do have any question you want to ask, please leave it at the comment section. I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking with me from the beginning to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.